Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This expansive 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom property offers the perfect blend of comfort and luxury. Nestled in a quiet community just 7 minutes from Savanna-la-Mar's town center. Boasts this ideal living space for large families or multi-generational living. The upstairs boasts 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, a veranda, and living rooms. Enjoy spacious living areas, including a dedicated dining room and family and entertainment room, perfect for gatherings, 2 large patios, and a furnished gazebo with cooktops and grills. Create an entertainer's dream. Well-manicured lawns and gardens, and a reliable water supply ensure tranquility. Close to reputable schools, universities, hospitals, supermarkets, and more. This property offers urban convenience near the beauty of beaches such as Bluefields, Negril, and Montego Bay. Make this unforgettable property yours today. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 83.5 million or US $542.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.